Hey everybody, it's Brian again, back at you. Just got off my lunch break here. Had to do a nice little ride on this beautiful machine. That's my baby. All right, let me get out of the sun here because it's so hot. But listen, today's topic, okay, is going to be about why Google does not trust you, okay? And let me tell you, it's really not that Google doesn't trust you. Actually, I take it back. They don't trust you. They checked you out. You didn't check out. You didn't verify, okay? So let me tell you why. I had a client, she's in New Orleans, here you go, New Orleans. She's been doing a lot of work to make sure that she can get ranked on Google and search engines and things like that, and she couldn't do it. She was so confused. She's like, why? I think I'm doing everything right. I'm paying for ads. I'm doing SEO on my website. I'm posting on social media. Like, what's going on? I'm like, okay, well, I have some tools here for you. Let's just run a test and let's figure out what's going on. So we put her name into our reputation scan, which I'm gonna tell you about here shortly. But what it does is that it checks the online directories and it sees how accurate your business information is, right? And it's things like your name, like your phone number, your address, pretty important stuff, right? So we went in there and we found out that her name is different, her address is different, her phone number is different, all over the internet, all over, okay? And it's little things, right? This may seem super petty, and I mean, I guess in some sense it kind of is, but in the world of Google and computers, it's just not the same. Not the same means it's different. If it's different, I can't verify that you are who you say you are. It's just that simple, right? Let me tell you how it really works, right? So in some spots she lived on Andrews Street. I'm sorry, she didn't live there. Her business was on Andrews Street. So in some spots it said Andrew, and some other online directories it said Drews. There's an S on the end. So she left off the S sometimes, right? In one spot, I don't want to give away the client, her name was spelled differently. So that to help with her SEO, she changed her name, the name of her actual business. So she didn't do it for all of them. So in some spots it said something different than it said in the other spot. In some spots the phone number was also different. She put a parentheses around the area code, and sometimes that parentheses was not there. At the end of the day, it's not the same. It's just that simple. It's not the same. If it's not the same, that means it's different. And if it's not the same and it's different, that means you cannot be verified. If you can't be verified, Google does not trust you, and along with all the other search engines as well. They just don't trust you, right? Because it's not the same. It'd be the same as thinking as Google's a judge, okay, and think that your business is the convicted of a crime, and you say, all right, judge, I didn't do it, and the judge, Google, says, okay, well, how do I know that? We say, I have these 75 people that say I didn't do it. And the judge goes to the 75 people and they all say something different. It's really hard to trust you. Now, if you had those 75 people all saying the exact same thing, man, that's a powerful testimony right there. Really powerful. And that's what the power of having your online listings accurate will do. Google does not trust any business that has less than 97% inaccurate. You may ask, he's like, wow, that's kind of crazy. It's really not, because everyone knows that when you put something in the search bar in Google or any other search engine, you expect it to find exactly what you're looking for. Well, how do they do that? Well, they go to that judge and they go to those witnesses and they see, can you verify this is the hair salon I'm looking for? Can you verify that this is the restaurant I'm looking for? It's going to check all the online directories. If they all say the exact same thing, it'll pop up earlier on that search engine and it'll say, yes, that's it. I found it. This is what you're looking for. I gotta get out of the sun. I'm baking. Jesus. Right? So, I want to help you guys with this, okay? Really simple. I have 2 tools for you today. 2 tools. Oh, I'm sorry. I forgot. Before we go there, also want to let you know that 73% of people, if they find misinformation about you online, they don't trust your business either. So it's not just Google that doesn't trust you. Your business, your people that are trying to buy from you, they don't trust you either. All right, so let's just get rid of all that. All that's going to be done, okay? I have 2 tools for you to help you with that. Tool number 1, Hostirian.com/repscan, REPSCAN. Go there, type in your business information, and what that will do is scan the online directories, okay? And it'll show you how accurate your business information is. Super important. After you do that, or you don't even have to do that, click on the link right here in the comment section and then you can get on my calendar, and I have a tool here that's a trial for 30 days that will help you go in all those different spots and make all that information accurate here for you. You can do it on your own, but I'm telling you, if you want to go through 75 different online directories, and then you want to type in your business name, your address, your phone number, that will take a lot of time. It's going to cost a lot of money, and you still increase the probability that you're going to mess up because we're human. We make mistakes, right? So forget all that. Click on the link. I'll get you your tool that will help you set all these things up and do it in one spot versus 75. All right? Till next time, guys. I'll see you guys later. Whoop, whoop.